Hello everyone, it's a few days after the last footage that you've seen, and I wanted to show you the spot that we're in because we had 2 days of just rain, so I couldn't really film out, but now the sun has come out, so look at this. Wow. It is very quiet. There is only another bus that stayed. During the weekend it was really busy, but everybody left because it's Monday today. You can see the lake from here as well. Big lake. I'm really excited about today, not only because the sun is out and we spent 2 days inside and 2 days with 2 people in a small van. It gets into your head a little bit after a bit, but also we're gonna go for a coffee, and then we're gonna go to do some groceries and fill in water and do laundry and things like that. So I thought I would yeah, bring you with me, and so you can see the weekly errands that we gotta do when you live in a van, and sometimes when you don't live in a van too. That we just went, it's I think one of the biggest used bookstores in Canada. It's huge, so we spent there a few hours, and I found Florent found The Martian, which is supposed to be super good, the book. I mean, the film is great, but the book is supposed to be even better, so I think I'm gonna read this one as well. Then I've got a jewelry making book, and this looks really good because, as you know, I am learning how to silversmith. And then I've got News by Alan de Botton. This is a book I've been wanting to read for a while, and I read quite a few books from him, and they're always quite good. We are at Canadian Tire, which is like a Halfords in England, and Florent is doing the oil change, so I'm just kind of waiting until that's done, and I need to fill in this bag with all the laundry for later on. So the bed is already taken off and the bag is nearly full, but I think I got a few more things to fit in. I pack all of my clothes in those pack cubes that I got just before leaving the UK. I got them on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below if you're interested. But those, ladies and gentlemen, they are a life changer, because you can keep, for example, all your trousers and skirts here, and all of your tops here, and then all of your underwear in another smaller one, and it's super practical for keeping everything in order, and so that you know where everything is. So yeah, if you do a lot of traveling, or if you're planning to live in a van for a little while, those are super useful. Lucky a few weeks ago to be able to find those at a shop. They are sold out everywhere, and those are just so useful, especially if you're in a van, because when we were in the Airbnb we would fill in a basin with some bleach and water and kind of sanitize everything, but now that would be a little bit difficult, and also we wouldn't know where to put the bleach. So yeah, really lucky to have those. For food storage, we have 2 boxes of this size, one with mostly grains, lentils, beans and flowers, and then one with pasta, rice and other dried stuff like granola and coconut oil. And then we have a little tiny box for all our snacks and that we bring for hiking, or also like desserts like chocolate and stuff like that. And the truck has a fridge as well, fridge freezer, which really is a luxury. So in here obviously we keep all the fresh stuff, and that's the freezer. So it is quite a bit of storage, more than what I was used to, of course, in the van. And it's quite nice because you can store, I'd say 10 to 2 weeks of food in here. The fridge is a bit small, but if you can survive in just dry stuff, then it could be 2 weeks and more. And it's nice because you don't have to, you know, pop in the grocery anytime that you need something fresh, which is what I needed to do while I was staying in the van in the Kangoo. So that is an upgrade. So I feel like this vlog is gonna be super long, so I'm gonna cut it short soon. But before I let you go, I wanted to share one last thing with you, which is since in the last few months in Canada you're not allowed to bring your own reusable bags, and you're obliged to buy their own plastic bags, unless of course you want to put everything in the trolley and then one by one put it in your car, which would take a lot of time. So we ended up with a lot of plastic bags, like 100 bags, and I didn't know what to do with it. I didn't want to throw them away, so I was thinking of a way to reuse them or to do something useful with it. And I looked online and I found that you can actually make yarn with it, which is called plarn, I think. And you basically cut it into thin strips and then you can crochet it, which is super cool, because you can do bags and you can do baskets as well with this yarn. And it's super resistant, and obviously it saves those going to the landfill. So I'm working on this bag. I don't know if you can see. So as you can see, there's like all the Walmart bags that are like gray, and then a few white bags here, and I just need to do the handles and then it's gonna be finished. And this is gonna be a grocery bag. Oop. That's gonna last for a long time. It's super sturdy, and it's not heavy. It's quite light, and there's probably like 150 plastic bags in it already. I think that with the last shopping of today, I think I have enough plastic bags to finish it, and hopefully once it's finished they will allow reusable bags again, so I don't have to have more plastic bags, and if they do, I can find something else to do with it. But yes, I was just thinking that if you have a lot of plastic bags, either because during the years you accumulated them, or during this time you end up having plastic bags that you don't want and you don't know what to do with, then yes, you can make things like that. A bag that's gonna last you for a long time. And I will link on the description the videos that I use to learn how to make the yarn and work with this weird yarn. Hello everyone, I forgot to end the video the other day, actually a week ago. We are now on a completely different spot. It's beautiful here, and we went for a bike ride today, which you can see from my face. It's quite red, it's quite sunny. But anyway, I thought to finish this vlog by actually ending the fundraising that we did in memory of Odie for 1 year. We were able to raise, let me check, £1,626, which is just incredible. And all of this will go to the Pelosete di Silvana Association, which is an association that deals with rescuing dog and finding their new homes. So thank you so much to everyone that donated. It means a lot, and I'm sure it's gonna make a difference to a lot of dogs' life. And I just wanted to show you that I'm actually sending them the money, because the thing with the Just Giving site is that you need to have an English bank account to be able to create a page. And so I wasn't able to put it directly to them because they have an Italian bank account, so the money has to go through my bank and then send it through to them. So I just wanted to do it together with you so that you know that the money is actually going there. That's actually an important thing that I wanted to mention, is that as with most crowdfunding sites, they actually take a little cut out of donations. So this is actually the amount of money that I can withdraw, because they take a little fee. So this is what they actually gonna receive, 1,500 1,554 and 72 pounds.